In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoho Creator forms to Zoho CRM. We'll start inside Zoho CRM on the homepage. Look to the top right of your screen and open the 9-dot app launcher next to your profile. In the search bar that appears, type Creator, then select Zoho Creator from the results. This is the quickest way to jump from CRM into your Creator apps. Once you're in Zoho Creator, open the application that holds the form you want to connect to CRM. I'm using an advanced quoting tool as an example. On the app's dashboard, click Edit this application to open the builder. From the left panel, choose Workflow. This is where we tell Creator what to do after a form is submitted. Create a new workflow. For the trigger, choose Created, so the workflow fires when a new record is added. In the drop-down that follows, select Successful Form Submission. Give the workflow a clear name, something like Push to CRM Leads works well, and then create the workflow. Good naming makes it easy to find and maintain later. Inside the workflow builder, click Add New Action. Select Integrations, then choose Zoho CRM. For the action type, pick Create Account. You could target other modules like Leads or Contacts, but we'll stick to Accounts here to match the example flow. Next, select your Zoho CRM connection. If you're prompted to authorize access, follow the on-screen steps and ensure your profile has permission to create records in the chosen module. Now map your fields. Start with the mandatory fields. For account name, choose the form field that best represents the account. In this example, we're mapping it to a last name field to demonstrate the process, but in your setup, you might map a company or account field instead. Then add other useful mappings. Click Phone and link it to your form's phone field. You can map additional fields like email or website in the same way, keeping an eye on what your CRM requires and how your sales team uses the data. Click Save to store the action, then click Done to finish the workflow setup. From now on, each successful submission of that form will automatically create an account in Zoho CRM using the field mappings you defined. A quick tip: test your workflow with a sample submission to confirm the data lands in the right CRM fields and adjust mappings if needed. That's it. Your Zoho Creator form is now linked to Zoho CRM, ready to streamline your handoff from form entries to CRM records. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.